Hello, welcome to Spot Channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to add someone to your WhatsApp story. Before that, I want to ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss any of our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And first to first, you click this WhatsApp application. After that, you can scroll in the left to status, and after that you can click the three dots of the upper. Click the status privacy and the three choice here: my contact accept, and only share with. If you choose the my contact accept, the one who can be checked up is not to can see your status or story. And if the only share with, this is if you check up here, this is one can see your story. You get it? So if you click here, you can click Cindy, Amrina, and Cindy. The three person here cannot see your status or story. And if you click on this share with, if you click Cindy, Amrina, and Henry, the three person here can see your story. And this is the tutorial how to add someone to your WhatsApp story, and I hope this video is useful for you, and thank you.